Hello everyone, so this is my part 3 of the game I'm making. It's called the Zelda Scrolls and it's for my niece. It's a top-down kind of Dragon Quest style RPG. So I'll show you the changes I've made. So we just go into new game. So I've actually added a lot of detail to the map, and if you remember from last time, if you press M, that does bring up our overworld map. And so you can see lots more here. I've created like a mountain range, got deserts I'm starting to put in, lots of trees and roads and cities. And you got the Arctic region up here, and this is going to be kind of tropical down here, and tropical trees. And so press M again to get back to the world. You also notice here I've created a HUD display a little bit, heads up display, just some information for the player as it shows you where in the world you are. So right now in the overworld, our location, our gold, health, mana, etc. But if we go into a town, one of the big changes I've made is to add a fast travel system. So I don't know if you can see this, but you can see, so right now we're in the town of Goldstream as shown here by their display. And if we go down to one of the fast travel building, I'm calling it the wharf right now because it's on the water. But if we go in here, and so you can go to travel, and it gives you a big list of different cities we could travel to. So let's go to this place, Carathas. I just made up all these names. They're kind of fantasy inspired names, I guess. And so you see when we travel, it shows us the path we take with red dots to the city. So now we're right there. If you press M, you can see we are there. So we can go into this town now. And so most of these towns actually all look the same just because I haven't created the maps for those towns yet, but that'll change. But for right now, that's fine. And if we go, we can travel again. So again, you can travel. All the shops look, the travel shops look the same as well, and that'll change. But let's head to the south. So if we go to Belgard, so you can see again we're traveling down here over this forest, over the mountains, and we're going to be arriving here, kind of near the desert. And you can see this is kind of what the desert looks like, or the near the desert. Um, but another thing we've done, well, I'll just actually travel back. Another thing I've done is I've kind of fixed up the dialogue, and I've started to implement quests. So that this town right now, again, if you press M, you can see what the town looks like. This is just empty. It's just basically a test. Most of the towns actually haven't been complete. I have to fill them in and add buildings and people and stuff. But this is our travel building. And if we go back to the original town, which was Goldstream, I think. So here we go. It does travel up there. So there we are, almost. That was a long one. So if we go into this town, this is the only town that I've kind of fleshed out with people, but I can show you what I've made progress on the dialogue. Um, so again, if you go up to one of these randomly walking around NPCs, and when you're beside him, he'll stop walking, so he stopped while the other guys are still walking, but if you press enter next to one, you bring up the dialogue. So this guy just says, welcome to Goldstream, and now I can respond. So who are you or where am I? I'm going to say, where am I? You are in the greatest town in the province of Summerfell in the realm of Highgard. Again, just making this up. This is random dialogue. What do I want to say? You seem a little distraught. Girl, I'm very busy with the ongoing crisis that has befallen our realm. Crisis? I'm talking about the crisis. Our beloved king's own sons have declared war on each other. Okay, goodbye for now. So now I can go down and talk to this guy maybe. See what he says. So hit enter. Have you heard the news? And I can say, no, I haven't. What's going on? The mayor was yelling about some crisis. Yes, let's do that. I will tell you about it. You see, the king has two sons, Cable and Bane. Obviously, that's a biblical reference. Bane has been angry at Cable for some time now, although I'm not sure about what. Let's just say go on. Anyways, Cable rules the western farmlands, which you are currently residing in, I might add, and Bane rules the land east of the Great Spine. Wait, what's the Great Spine? Oh, you must be new here. The Great Spine is the long mountain range that separates Highguard. Oh yes, I see that on the map. Okay. Anyways, Bane has grown resentful of his father Cable because things are not going well east of the Great Spine. Oh, the mountains. Why doesn't he get his father to help? Well, he did go to the king, his father, but the king said his troubles are of his own making. Are we in danger here? Girl, there is always danger, but no, none right now. Uh, Anything I can do? Well, no, not really, unless you want to go kill the red dragon ravaging south of town. Wait, what? There's a red dragon near here? Oh yes, it's quite a bit of nasty business. Lots of pillaging, destroying, burning. Really all the standard dragon stuff. Uh, Now that I get a better look at you, girl, you look like you might be able to deal with that. Maybe buy some armor first, though. Okay, then go and deal with that out of control raging dragon, and then I will get back to telling my story. And so you see, so the dialogue works. I think I have a dialogue on this top guy too. So I've started doing the quests, and right now the quests are going to be kind of basic things like what that one was right there. Go kill a dragon, or go kill a certain number of enemies. Go talk to this person. Go get this item, that kind of thing. But so for this guy says, "Have you met the potion maker yet?" No, I haven't, but I'll be sure to meet him soon. You should do that as soon as possible. Thanks. And so that was a simple one. So that's most of the changes I made. I want to keep working on the quests to really flesh them out and get that down because I haven't fully done that. Again, if you press tab, you get the player stat screen. One thing I did add was numbers to the health bars, mana bars, and XP bars here now. So these do update as you use and consume health, or use mana or lose health or gain XP. So that does change. Um, I think that's the main difference that I've really added. So you can go back out to the overworld. Yeah, just add a lot of detail to the map. I can actually pull up the tile map for you and show you. So this is what it's looking like so far. I can zoom in here. So there's actually quite a few towns. Not all of them I have in the fast travel system yet. Almost none of them I've really kind of fleshed out yet. I'm still trying to think about story ideas and what the story's going to be, who the bad guy's going to be. You see this desert. Got like a desert fortress down here. The south is these are palm trees, and so it's starting to come together. Um, yeah, I think that's all I want to say for this. This was just kind of a short video, just giving you guys an update. I'm pretty happy with it though so far. It looks pretty good. So yeah, if you have any ideas for story or features I should add in, definitely just leave a comment, and hope some people are enjoying this. Okay, thanks.